Good morning. Good morning. It is almost 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm taking a little 15-minute break from work. I'm working from home right now. Not for a long time, but for a few days, basically. But yeah, I got this set up here. Got my work computer here, my ThinkPad, my Lenovo, excuse me, ThinkPad. Just had some smoothie in this Stanley cup, so excuse the gas. Work computer and this Mac Book Air is my personal unit. So yeah, doing some work here. I just had a ticket. Just got done with one, a Salesforce issue. Easy fix. Just had to disconnect their MFA and help them clear their cache and cookie. Had to remote access into their unit to do all that, but easy fix. Got that done. And now I'm taking a break. So this is a gorgeous space here. This is the conference room in my building where I live. I'm wearing my gym clothes also because around 12:30 I'm gonna head to the gym in this building. They have a really nice, amazing gym, state of the art equipment galore to get in shape, get healthy. Can't wait to go there. I love one side of the gym. They have everything. But yeah, this is the conference room. As you can see, really nice painting on the wall. This is known as the co-work room. You can come in here. There's other rooms also. It's all the other conference rooms they have available. They have 3 actually, but this one's the biggest one. Nah, man. They have another one right over there, literally. See? Yeah. Right there. All right. Pretty dope, right? There's people working. I don't want to bother them, but anyway, get back in here. So, today's video, I want to talk to a lot. Also, there's people working. I want to talk to you about not just not just in regards of software engineering, but more about the tech industry itself today, of what's going on, and I want to talk about exactly what I'm seeing. But before I do that, let me just finally introduce myself. My name is Ariel the Juice from arielthejuice.com. I'm sorry, that's my other channel. That's my fitness channel. Juicy Tech channel, YouTube channel. Yeah, so I'm going to say that. Subscribe, hit the bell, notification, comment, like, and share. Again, Ariel the Juice from Juicy Tech YouTube channel. I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram. I'll leave all my links of my socials and everything else that you need to know about me. Everything will be discovered in the box below, down there where my finger's pointing. Down there is where everything is available for you to contact or to converse with me off YouTube if you want to. Special thank you to Course Careers for sponsoring today's video, for sponsoring this entire channel, really. Course Careers is what I use to learn more about basic IT. They have other courses outside of tech. It works. I love their how modern the curriculum is. I love how affordable it is. Great experience. For more information about Course Careers, which I very much recommend, that's why I sell it. I have no problem admitting to that because it works. It helps a lot of people. But for more information about Course Careers, also in the box below with this video down there, and you're all set. So I want to talk to you about the tech industry, what I'm seeing right now with AI. And what I'm noticing is, again, this is somewhat into regards of software engineering. You're hearing a lot of stories about, AI is going to replace a lot of engineers, and this is true. Believe it or not, this is true. They won't replace everybody, obviously, but some. But that's nothing new to know. But what I'm realizing is people are saying this is the end of coding, and this is the end of engineering and all the above, or this is the end of programming. A lot of very doom and gloom type conversations, right? And I don't think that's necessarily true. This is the end of programming. But what is true is that this is the end of how programming is done today. Yes, that's my opinion. I think the way programming is being done today, that's coming to an end, right? So whatever you were taught back in coding boot camp or whatever school you went to, if you're self-taught, that way of coding is going, that's going away. That's ending. I don't think programming will ever go away. Just like I don't think the job of a software engineer will ever go away. It's just changing, right? The world is always evolving. It's always changing. And that's all it is, right? Programming has been around for decades, right? I can't really give you more details about where it started, what exactly were the job tasks, but just understand that programming has been around for decades. And how programming was done back in the days, we're talking maybe the 50s, who knows, right? At that time, programming wasn't like it is done today. Your JavaScript, your Python, dealing with APIs and front end, back ends, and all that, JSON, that didn't exist back then, right? Programming was done differently. I can't explain to you what they were doing exactly. I don't know. I wasn't there. I'm sure you can read about it and watch some, information about it online. I'm pretty sure you can. Maybe that's your new task, to find out what exactly was programming back then, how it is today. So programming is not dying. Programming is just changing. So what is dying is the way it's being done today, because programming back then is not what they're using today, right? You don't have to learn pretty much any of this stuff. Maybe you pretty much don't have to know any of this stuff back then as a programmer, right? We don't. And I'm sure, how should I put it? Like, things have changed basically. So you really can't try to solve an issue and program something like they were programming back decades ago. Like, things have changed drastically, right? Again, a lot of stuff that we're doing today were not being done back then because they didn't exist. It wasn't available like it is today. So again, what's changing is how programming is being done in today's world. I think it's just going to change more into a situation where, AI is going to be more involved, and this wasn't really a thing decades ago, So that's what's changing. That's what I'm noticing about the tech space. The whole programming landscape is dying. But again, what's dying? It's the way it's being done today. A lot of companies, such as my employer, doesn't hire many junior or even mid-level, mainly junior software engineers, because we have machines that can perform those tasks faster, right? And we don't really need that many people involved anymore. So that's changed, right? A lot of that has changed. And listening to companies like Meta or Salesforce confirm that they're looking to implement more machines as engineers, this may not be something that's going to get, that we may see maybe 2 or 3 years from now, but best believe we will see this in our lifetime, where machines will operate and will be the ones writing the code that a human being once did. The code isn't the most perfect, how machines are writing it, but it will get better, and we will see this get better. So again, that's changing. That's what's going on. Things are just dying because, well, especially for programming. Programming, just my opinion, programming the way it's done today is dying. That's what's going on. Programming, I think, will never die. I don't think programming will ever go away. Just like I don't think for one bit that a software engineer will exist, right? I'm sorry. They won't exist anymore, basically, right? They will not exist because of AI. False. Things are just changing. Again, programming the way it's done today, that's what's dying. Just like everything else back then is no longer being used today because things have gotten better. And that's how it should be. Things are just evolving to better and better things. That's all AI is. It's just going to be a tool to make things a lot better for us as a society. So I'm excited for that. So that's what I think. So let me get back to work. Let me knock this out. It's always a pleasure connecting with you. Much love. Again, I'm on other social platforms. I'll leave all my information in the box below this video, and you're all set. Peace out. Thanks for watching.